let's continue on with Lyft, talking about third-party.
We're on, baby. We're on today. We're on your case, Lyft.
Usage.
You know why we're on Lyft's case, Chris? Do you know why we're on Lyft's case?
What?
Because we have something, a nuclear weapon detonated on Friday on Uber. So that's why we're on Lyft's case. So that's why. Stay tuned, folks. It's going to be an interesting week. It's an interesting week coming up. Anyway, yeah, this is what the riders got. I mean, this is what the drivers got. And I posted it. I tweeted it. You know, now everybody's expecting me when I tag David. You know, everybody's expecting him coming in response. I'm like, the guy is the CEO of a $6 billion company. You think he gives a shit? Once in a while, he entertains the idea of, oh, Serge, yeah.
Remember, he's in Falcon mode, right?
He's in what mode?
He's in Falcon mode, right?
Falcon mode.
He's flying high.
Flying high and swoop down and take care.
All right, so let's get right into this email. So yes, some people decided to get an email from Lyft, and it said, "At Lyft, customer or rider and driver obsession is our top priority. We have identified unusual behavior associated with your driver account. It looks like you may be using unauthorized third-party tools and applications on the Lyft platform. Third-party tools are not secure and not allowed. Sharing your Lyft credentials with unauthorized third-party applications is not permitted by Lyft's terms of service. These apps may not have the same security standards as Lyft and could put your information and account at risk. Lyft is not responsible for any unauthorized access that you give third parties to your account." So then you just told me that it doesn't matter. So you're not responsible for anything. So shut the fuck up. Your account may be at risk of deactivation.
You know, how many times? Hold on. How many times have Uber and Lyft been hacked and all the driver data has been stolen?
Hey, I didn't allow you to store my data, and yet you got it out somehow.
Yeah.
Now,
okay. Well, so this starts. Well, you know what? We didn't have Gary say what he wanted to say. So Gary Middleton, you know, we'll finish when Chris finishes this. He had a great comment about this.
All right. Your account may be at risk of deactivation. As explained above, using unauthorized third-party tools is a violation of terms of service. If detected,
is it really? Is it not? I got to go look at it. Is it really? Is it in there?
It is. It's been in there since I started driving.
Really?
But the thing is, they never do anything about it. So, just because it's in the TOS, it doesn't mean anything. So get the fuck out of here.
Okay.
This may result in the deactivation of your driver account. To unlink third-party applications from your account, please use the side menu in your driver app. Navigate to settings under account tab, tap security center, tap devices section, and remove any devices that you do not recognize as yours. Well, all the third-party apps that I installed are mine, so we appreciate your cooperation. No, thank you. Adhering to Lyft's terms of service. Please let our team know if you need assistance. No. And you know why I don't?
We just need you to go away. We need to cherry pick the F out of it just for you. Just however many you are, however many you're going to watch, just for like a 24-hour period, cherry pick the shit on Lyft. Let's see how that goes. Preferably with Gig or Maximo. Let me tell you something. This is bullshit. Bullshit of all bullshits. Lyft, we were going right. We were going the right direction. This is bullshit. This is complete utter bullshit. Okay. You should be happy that we are, as small business owners that we are. We're stuffing our tools with these tools, and
let me tell you,
we're not anybody's bitch, man. What's happening?
Hold on. What type of job do you think would be the closest to a rideshare driver as an independent contractor? Let's go with a lawn care person, somebody who cuts grass.
Lawn care? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I think lawn care probably is pretty similar here.
Okay.
So let's take this from a standpoint of an independent contractor who is a lawn maintenance person who is cutting your grass. Okay. Now, this person goes out, finds people for cutting their grass and getting paid for it, right? This person is probably going to have QuickBooks. This person is going to have a bank account. This person is going to have a scheduler. This person is probably going to have a CRM being able to help with these things. And all of these tools are able to communicate with each other. So if you have a CRM, probably Jobber, let's just say, you're probably using Jobber, and you can pair it with QuickBooks. and your bank account. You can also pair with QuickBooks. So it can read everything that's going on. So this tool, QuickBooks, is an amazing tool for so many people because
Third-party app.
You're able to see all of the income and expenses and everything within your business at a glance. This is exactly what third-party apps do on the Uber, Lyft, DoorDash platforms. So GigU, Gridwise, Solo, Mistro and Maximo and whatever else might be out there. All these apps are basically helping you run your business smoother. You're more automated. You can make better decisions. You're safer. You're able to do things that is going to give you, hopefully, a little bit more information so you can make more informed decisions on whether you want to take a ride or not. And then that means at the end of the day, you're able to bring home more money than not. So it helps you overall as a better driver. So why would Lyft do something like this? Because as Gary had put it, you're just a cog in a machine and they just want you to accept every single trip. That's why David came out and said, trust the algorithm. No, there's no goddamn way in this world I would ever trust the algorithm when you're sending me $1.87 for a fucking ride for 8 miles down the road. There's no effing way that's going to happen. There's no way you're going to give me a capped ride at $300 or maybe a $30 bonus for $330 to drive 582 miles. No effing way, because that's one way. That's not the return trip. You're going to give me $330 to return? I don't think so. So get the F out. So when it comes down to these third-party tools, these are helping drivers be safer, make better decisions. And you know what? If they're making better decisions, then they're going to be happier. That means they're going to be on your app longer. You don't think about these things. You're like, oh, they're not taking as many rides because we can't screw them enough so we can make enough profit because our stock price is still dwindling. Oh, it's only at $15. Why is Uber's at $90? Oh my God. It's because you suck. One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Yeah. Thumbs up, everybody. Thumbs up to Chris. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
I mean, for all the fucking games that they have to play, the gamification of all of these apps from pickup to drop off, literally, that's what you have to do. Pick up somebody, drop off somebody. Why do you have to make so many freaking games? It's so stupid. These third-party apps, I'm sorry, they shouldn't have to exist because that's what it is. It's picking somebody up and dropping somebody off. I'd love to trust the algorithm, but you know what? You can't trust the algorithm because it's designed to screw you. It's designed to maximize profit. So here's the thing. When we say, hey, Dara, why aren't you talking about what you said in the interview with Harry when it comes to accepting rides? Look, from our standpoint, the algorithm is not working properly. From Uber and Lyft standpoint, it's working perfectly.
Beautifully. It's working well.
That's the disconnect. And they don't care because they're like, we'll just replace you with another driver. And hopefully we'll be able to wait it out when we'll get shitty drivers because, now we're scraping the bottom of the barrel because we're deactivating drivers who are using tools that are helping their business run their business. And yeah, the problem with this is a huge overstep. This is a huge overstep when it comes to being an independent contractor because, hey, look, I want the tool to be able to use that helps me be able to figure out what is going to be better for me in the long run. And if you're going to put a limit on that or a problem, now I am an employee. I'm not an independent contractor. So you want to go down that route because we can definitely do that. I don't think you're going to like those results.
Let me take care of my own safety. Lyft, I'll figure it out. So there was this comment, and this is not correct. Lyft is at least showing the hour. No, that's active hourly earnings, not hourly earnings. Active, P2, P3. So I second everything Chris said. We can go to the next subject.
Okay. I mean, if you didn't have anything to say, then
no. You're good.
So again, smash that like button if you want to give this big MF right now.
Every like is an F.
Yeah, every like is a big FU. to Lyft right now, because this is definitely pissing people off.
Okay. Again, if you guys, anybody gets deactivated, because this is a valid threat, it hasn't been resolved yet. So if anybody of you get deactivated, Sergio at the rideshareguy.com. I'm not saying I can do anything about it, but I want to I want to resolve this like we resolved the black thing, the black, Tesla black, Lyft black problem. David, you came and fixed it 24 hours. This is nonsense. Okay. I mean, yeah, stop. Let's just not stop the bullying. Stop the bullying.
Yeah.
We don't like bullies.
We're grown drivers. We can do what we want.
We don't like bullies.
You don't like it? That's too bad. You're not going to win this one. Sorry, you're not going to win it.
No.
And then going on, forgot to show you that you did.
I did it. And even Harry agreed, man. Think about that. Yeah. There he goes. This is nuts. This is threatening drivers with deactivation if they're third-party apps that help drivers earn more. Even Harry agreed with me, which is pretty rare. Once in a while, he does. So I tweeted it out. Lyft is sending these threatening messages, blah blah blah. So all listen, if you it's very vague. It was vague, and I'm going to finish with the segment with what Gary said in the green room. Gary Middleton of Maximo. He says that email starts with a lie and ends with a lie. That's what he said, and I forgot to. And I forgot.
At Lyft, customer, rider, and driver obsession is our top priority. No cash, chasing that stock price. See, this is Lyft is the driver who's driving, chasing surge. Oh, I want to get that stock price up. I want to get that stock price up. Come on, dude. Sorry, Lyft. Guess what? You used to be number 2. You're almost number 3. You should probably fix your shit first. Clean your house. Don't worry about drivers who are driving well. The drivers who are using third-party apps are probably the drivers you want to keep on the platform versus somebody who's got duct tape on their freaking door because it can't close properly, or they're duct taping their seatbelt because it's probably not good. So again, you probably want to keep these drivers on the platform. You're right. They're going to go to Uber.
Yeah, they are. Well, Uber can't be too far behind. They're the same company anyway. So he says, it's effed up when Harry agrees with drivers. That's a good one. That's the touche on that one. We end it right there. That's it.
I got a thought, but I won't say it.
Okay, next one.
But either way, yes. So here's the deal. Yes, there is a deactivation possibility. The problem is this has been something in their TOS as long as I've been driving, which is 2018. So if they haven't done anything since then or now, this is absolutely ridiculous. And trust me, this is probably a fight that they don't want to take on because. Do you
think we're overblowing this? Blowing it out of proportion? I don't think we are actually.
What?
Blowing this out of proportion, like making a big deal out of this
because there's got to be a firm stance that says, shut the F up.
We stand right here. Come get it. Come get it. So anyway, yeah, wonderful.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.